Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Webb. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial. There's lots more to come, maybe bargains, maybe I've paid full price, but there is absolutely loads of things: eyeshadows, lipsticks, lip liners, basically the whole shebang. There's loads more to come, so do look out for these because got loads. Before we get into the actual video and the actual product, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff, which is if you like the content, the video, the advice, anything in this video at all, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up. This tells me that you like the videos, you want to see more, and what content I'm doing is giving you the makeup needs that you do like. So definitely give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and this may be your 10th or your 12th or your 200 or your 250 video, please do not forget to subscribe by signing up to YouTube for absolutely free, hitting the subscribe button for absolutely free on tazwells12, join the little love family and my YouTube journey as we go along. Just want a quick note in this as well: be careful of the light, because it is all natural light that I try to use in these videos. So if you see a little shimmer on my face, I do try to edit it out, but that is what it is. It's no ring light. I'm actually using natural light in most of these videos. It's just when I'm filming at night, might have to use a little ring light. The video is not sponsored in any way. This is all out of my own money. It's just an advice video for you guys and not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. Please check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter and 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12, which is my normal account, and then you have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, wherever you like on there, please. That would be great. But before I ramble on any more and tell you any more things, let's get on to the makeup review testing tutorial video. The makeup product we're going to review today, this one. So this is another Revolution product. I've got absolutely loads of Revolution products. Love them to death. I think their lipsticks are pucker. Being a bit biased here, and I know this is just the beginning of the video, but this is another one I have used quite a lot. But again, yes, it may be not a first impressions, but it's a good review, tutorial and testing video for you guys, because I know this lipstick was raving about the time, and when I saw it on the Revolution website, I think it was, I had to order it because I looked in store and you could not find it. So this is a iconic matte Revolution lipstick in Chauffeur, and it's a matte lipstick, as it says. Very nice for the packaging, just a nice little bullet lipstick with the pop of rose gold in the middle, and just like this nice matte black, and then it just tells you on the bottom what it is. So take the lid off. Very, very nice. Have their branding in the packaging, love that. And it's not coasted all over the packaging, which, like I said, it looks very, very nice. So this is what the lipstick looks like. You can see that I've used it a couple of times, and it's just a nice matte nude lipstick. Really, really good. Really love this. Really, really cheap as well. The Hardy Revolution products are just bomb. Anyway, they're bomb and they're cheap and they're good. We're going to review this today. I'm not going to use it with a lip liner because it is a matte lipstick. It's going to go on pretty smooth and pretty easy. We are just going to fully do this today. I'm just going to clip my hair up, and then we will get into reviewing the iconic matte Revolution lipstick in Chauffeur. Hair is all clipped up. Now we're going to open this. So like I said, I've used this a couple of times. This is a very good lipstick. Very good, like natural nude lipstick, and it's lovely. So I'm just going to go on my bottom lip. I'm going to go through the natural like it's possible. I'm going to be close enough to you so you guys can see it. And also I've got a mirror here if I look down. There we go. So we're just going to put this on the bottom lip because that's my fullest lip. So like I said, you do not need a lip liner with this, because like that just glided on, and also you've got this little tip which you could use. And because it's matte as well, I think That makes it a lot more easier, because if it's like a velvet or a normal lipstick, it's got that slippiness where this hasn't, and it just feels really, really natural for matte. That's the bottom. Just very, very nice, and it matches in with my lips. Nice coating. Like I said, a little bit of slippage there, but I think that's more to the fact that it's a creamy product, but it feels blinking lovely. It's got a tiny little bit of like sweet scent to it, but I wouldn't say like massively loads. But this lipstick I've worn out a few nights on a night out, or like to a meal, and literally this will come off, obviously if you're eating or you're drinking like natural things do. This just feels natural, like it just looks like a natural nude. Like this would be an absolutely great lipstick if you really wanted to go for that like really, really dramatic look on your eye. Like you could do a lot of colour with this and just do this natural lip. You could put a little bit of a lip gloss over it, like clear or a little bit tinted, but literally you could go quite loud and big with your like eye makeup. I would probably, if you were going really, really natural, yes, then you could do a nice brown like natural look. But if you're going for like a night out and you want that bit of colour, maybe like a green or purple or blue, this would be your natural lipstick to kind of match with, because it will give that contrast of not too much on. So your eyes will be the dramatic part and this will be the natural part. It's just how I always work. So if you go for a loud eye, go for a natural lip. If you go for a loud lip, then maybe go for a natural eye. That's just how I've worked, and that's just how I've gone. Because otherwise it's just too much. You've seen with people, like if you're doing like a dramatic fancy dress, or you are doing that maybe that drag look, but apart from that, I would not go out with like a really bold eye and a bold lip. It's just not my forte, and that's just my personal opinion. This is the lip colour. Very, very nice. So I'm just going to take my hair down, and then we can review it with a verdict. Fringes down, and this is the lipstick. One more time. My verdict for this iconic matte Revolution lipstick in Chauffeur is a huge thumbs up, like huge. I love this product. When I saw it and people were wearing it, I was just like, that is my cup of tea. And when I got it, I don't always grab for it. I kind of forget about it, like I do. I've got loads of products. I kind of do put it on my dresser down here, so I do try to remember it. But in a way, if this was my lipstick that I was using all the time, I don't know if they even do this anymore. So it'd be pretty disappointing if I couldn't get hold of it. Obviously, Revolution go through a mix of products very, very quickly. This might not even be on there anymore. It might not be even in like on the website. It might be in a total different packaging. Like seriously, I would be quite disappointed if I could not get this. So in a way, I'm kind of glad I do not pick it up every single time, but it's disappointing that I do forget about it because it's such a good lipstick. I love this. I could put this on for the day and literally forget about it. It's that lightweight of a lipstick, but it gives you that natural light looking colour, which is really, really nice. Like I said, it is a massive thumbs up for me. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the iconic matte Revolution lipstick in Chauffeur. Like I said, it was a massive thumbs up. This will be a keepable lipstick for me, and it's something I will carry on using. Love this product. This is the end of the video, but if you did like the video and you did like the content and you did like the advice, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, because then I know that you like these, you want to see more, and I can bring more content to you as we're going along on these makeup videos. So please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to tazwells12 and the Love family and my YouTube journey. It would be grateful, and it'd be really nice that if you could join any of my videos to watch and any of the content I'm bringing out. So definitely do not forget to hit the subscribe button to join tazwells12 and the notification bell, because the notification bell lets you know when I've uploaded a new video. So do not forget to do them two things, because it would be really nice to see some more subscribers join. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention, or they have paid for. It's all out of my own money, and it's just an advice video for you guys to let you know what the makeup products are like, what I think is really good, what you can let me know what you think is really good. Oh yeah, and please do not forget to comment down below, because I will comment back every single time and like your comment. Please do not forget to comment down below, because that's the main thing too. And it's nice to have a little conversation with you, so please do not forget. Check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. Check, like, follow, that'd be absolutely great. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.